Hey students, hope you all good. I'm I'm your EVS teacher. My name is Saranya. We'll continue the lesson from tasting to digesting. A story. Here is one story about the stomach which with a window. In the poem, you read about a soldier called Martin. In 1822, he was 18 years old and was very healthy. When he was shot, he got seriously hurt. At that time, Dr. Beaumont was called to treat him. So, the boy called Martin, when he was 18, he was seriously hurt and he called the doctor to treat that. The doctor cleaned the wound and put the dressing. After 1.5 years, the doctor found that Martin's wound had healed expected for one thing. He had a big hole in his stomach. So after 1.5 years, they found that the wound have they have a hole in the stomach. The hole was covered with a loose flap of skin, like the washer in a football. If we press the skin and you could peep out the Martin's stomach. So we can see whatever there in the stomach. Not only that, the doctor could also take out food from the stomach. How it is, right? So doctor can easily take whatever the food inside the Martin's stomach. Like that the hole is there. They used tube to take out that food. Then the doctor felt he had found a treasure. How she is. So it is a treasure. We don't know what are the functioning in the stomach is happen. So through this hole we can see that what are the functioning happen. Can you guess how much time he spent on doing different experiments on this stomach? 9 years. So 9 years they did the experiment to see what all the functioning in the stomach. During this time, Martin grew up and got married. So in this gap, the Martin grew up and he got married also. At that time, scientists did not know how food was digested. So in that time, the doctors don't know how the food getting digest. How does the liquid in the stomach helps? Does it only help in making the food wet and soft, or it also helps to digestion? So in that time we don't know anything. So many questions arise. So with the help of this Martin's hole in the stomach, the doctor knows everything. The doctor took some liquid out of the stomach. He wanted to see what would happen to food items kept in a glass filled with it. Would it get digest on its own? For this, he did an experiment. With the help of a tube, he took out some digestive juice from the stomach. So he took some digestive juice from the Martin's stomach. At 8:30 a.m., he put 20 tiny pieces of boiled fish in 10 millimeters of the juice. He kept the glass at the same temperature as that of our stomach. So, in that glass, the doctor added some tiny pieces of fish, and uh, the doctor kept the glass in the same temperature. How it is, if it is inside the body, what is the temperature? So, same temperature they kept the glass about 30 degrees Celsius. When he checked at 2 p.m., he found that the pieces of fish had dissolved. See how it dissolved. So, this is the digestive process. The doctor tried this experiment with different food items, not only fish, the doctor did. with different food items. He gave Martin the same food at the same time, and then he compared how long it took for a food to be digested in the glass and Martin's stomach. So he made the comparison with the glass, how much time it took to digest it, with the stomach, how much time it took. Like that, he recorded also for his observation purpose. See how useful it is for us to know what are the process inside the stomach. Here is a part of his observation table. So read this table. I'll tell you the one: unboiled milk in the stomach, 2 hours 15 minutes it taking to digest. But in the glass with digestive juice, 4 hours 45 minutes it took. So what does our stomachs do? So this is the process of our stomach. The doctor did many experiments and found out many secrets about digestion. He found that food digests faster in the stomach than the outside. Did you notice this in the table? Yes, we noticed that, right? In the stomach, it took 2 hours 15 minutes. In the glass, it took 4 hours 45 minutes. So it is a difference of time. In the stomach, it digested very fastly. Our stomach crunched the food to digest it. The doctor also saw that the food did not digest properly when Martin was sad. If we are sad, our food inside the stomach it will not digest properly. He also found that the juice in our stomach is acidic. So after going inside to our stomach, it become acidic. Have you heard of anyone talking about acidity, especially when that person has not eaten well or the food is not digested properly? We used to say this, right? If we didn't eat, we feel that acidity. So, like that. The doctor experiments become famous across the world. After this, many scientists did many such experiments. What did you say? No, they did not shoot people in the stomach, nor did they wait for a patient with a hole in the stomach. So, how it is tried? They used other scientist ways to look inside our bodies. So, not only the digestion in the stomach, they did many experiments. What are the process of our body, other parts also they did. Did you like the story of Martin? Or should we say the story of our own stomach? So, in by this story, we came to know how at time the doctors have uh, do many experiment with Martin's stomach. So we'll stop here. We'll continue in the next section. Okay, children. Thank you.